Hey there, carvers, new folks, lifelong whittlers, and everyone in between. Welcome back to the Beavercraft channel. Today we're tackling a super common question that pops up constantly in our comments and DMs. What are the best affordable tools that don't sacrifice quality? So grab your coffee and settle in. We're counting down 7 seriously handy carving tools that all ring up for under 20 bucks. No wasted money, no buyer's remorse. Yep, less than a drive-through family meal. But stick around till the end because number 1 is the little hero most folks forget. And it might just become your new favorite tool. Look, premium wood carving tools are awesome, but great technique beats fancy price tags every day. A good budget line lets beginners experiment and lets pros stash spares in the travel kit without sweating lost luggage. Today's picks cover every basic cut you need: rough shaping, fine detail, sweep cuts, even spoon bowls. So let's dive in. Kicking things off is the P104 palm-handled straight mortise chisel. This tool might look simple, but it's incredibly effective for tight spaces, straight-sided cuts, and cleaning out corners where precision really matters. Its compact size and straight-edge design make it perfect for relief carving, mortising, or outlining fine architectural features. And at just $17, this chisel punches way above its weight. Number 6, G7L22 full-size medium gouge, a sweep number 7 with a 22 millimeters mouth. Think of it as the carving world's bulldozer. When you need to hog off background fast or shape gentle curves or contours, this is your go-to. Regular price is $25 or $65. But Beavercraft's summer sale drops it to $19. Number 5 is the C15 Detail Carving Knife. Skinny 35mm blade, scalpel sharp tip, classic ergonomics. If you carve eyes, feathers, or chip-carved Celtic knots, this little scalpel makes your life easier. At a flat $13, it's cheaper than a movie ticket and lasts a whole lot longer. Sliding into number 4, the SK1S, spoon carving hook knife with included leather sheath. A right-handed 25mm hook radius slices spoon bowls, kuksa cups, and more. The sheath means it won't punch holes in your backpack. $18 and ready for campfire carving. Bronze medal position, K8A, 14 compact bent gouge, sweep number 8, 14 millimeters wide. That bend lets you scoop deep recesses without smashing the handle against the workpiece. Perfect for hollowing out tight spots in kuksa cups, smoothing the bellies of spoon handles, or carving dramatic undercuts in reliefs. MSRP is $25, but right now it's on promo for $17. Catch it while it's hot. Runner-up, and honestly the knife that gets the most love from carvers of all skill levels, is the C4 Sloyd whittling knife. Scandinavian grind, 60 millimeters blade, and it just feels right in your hand. Solid, dependable, and sharp. Rough outs, point cuts, detail work, stop cuts, it does it all. Normally $19 to $55, but now it dips to $13 on our site. If you could only pack one knife for a weekend trip into the woods, this would be it. And number 1, the humble P1202 palm-handled V-tool. Why top pick? 2 reasons. Versatility. This 2mm 60-degree V can outline patterns, add hair or feather texture, clean corners, even stand in for a marking knife. And the second reason, price $17. Carvers often overlook V-tools until they really need them, then scramble for something sharper. Start with a quality micro V like this and your detail game jumps overnight. Quick recap, here's the lineup. 7. P104 palm chisel, precise cuts in tight spaces. 6. G7L22, medium gouge, rapid background removal. 5. C15, detail knife, micro detail and fine cuts. 4. SK1 S hook knife, smooth spoon bowls. 3. K8, 14, bent gouge, deep recesses and undercuts. 2. C4 Sloyd knife, all-rounder. 1. P1202 V-tool, textures and outlines. All right, crew, that's our countdown. 7 awesome wood carving tools under $20 that belong in every kit. Links to every tool are lurking in the description. Got another budget gem we missed? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Smash that. Like if you learned something, subscribe for more wood carving wisdom and ring that bell so YouTube actually tells you when we post. Until next time, keep those edges keen, the chips flying, and carve something awesome today.